What are the steps to set up Family Link for two parents?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the process of setting up Google's Family Link for two parents. Family Link is a fantastic tool that helps parents stay in the loop as their child explores on their devices. You can set digital ground rules and view their activity, manage their apps, and even set screen time limits. Ready? Let's dive in.
What will you need?
To start with, ensure you have the following. 1. Android devices for the child and both parents, or iPhones for the parents and an Android for the child. 2. The devices should have up-to-date software. Family Link requires Android devices to have version 7.0, Nougat, or higher, and iPhones need to have iOS 9 or higher. 3. Make sure you have a Google account for your child that's managed with Family Link. If you don't have this, you can create one during the setup process.
How to set up Family Link on the first parent's device?
Follow these steps to set up Family Link on the first parent's device. 1. Download the Family Link app from Google Play or the App Store on the parent's device. 2. Open the Family Link app and follow the instructions on screen to create a family group. 3. Sign in with your Google account, then create a Google account for your child, or sign in to their existing account. 4. Follow the instructions to set up supervision on your child's Android device.
How to add the second parent to the Family Link?
Now, let's add the second parent to the Family Link. 1. On the first parent's device, open the Family Link app. 2. Select the name of the family group in the Families section. 3. Invite family members and then enter the email address of the second parent. 4. On the second parent's device, accept the invitation in the email or in their Family Link app.
What can parents do with Family Link?
With Family Link set up, both parents can now view their child's activity. Not all screen time is the same. Help your child make healthy decisions about what they do on their device, from viewing app activity to managing their apps. Manage their apps. Handy notifications let you approve or block apps your child wants to download from the Google Play Store. You can also manage in-app purchases and hide specific apps on their device. Feed their curiosity. It can be hard to figure out what apps are right for your child, so Family Link shows you teacher-recommended apps that you can add directly to their device. And that's it. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in setting up Google's Family Link for two parents. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your child's digital world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to make the digital world a safer place for your kids with Family Link.